Hey everyone, if you want to copy and paste files in AnyDesk in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest methods to transfer files using clipboard, drag and drop, and built-in file tools. First, make sure you're connected to the remote computer using AnyDesk. Clipboard sharing only works during an active session. Next, make sure clipboard access is enabled in AnyDesk settings. Yeah, without this, copy and paste won't work properly. Now select the file, text, or folder you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. Now switch to the remote computer inside AnyDesk. So the shared clipboard will carry your copied content automatically. Now paste using Ctrl+V or right-click and select Paste. Yeah, AnyDesk will transfer the file or text instantly. Wait for the transfer to finish. Larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed. After that, check the destination folder to make sure everything transferred correctly. Always confirm your files. You can also use drag and drop for faster file transfers, so just drag the file into the AnyDesk session window. Another method is using the built-in file manager in AnyDesk. Yeah, this allows direct access to both devices for easier transfer. When you're done, disconnect the session from the toolbar. This ensures your connection is properly closed, and that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted files using AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.